Severe weather of strong winds and heavy snow hit southwestern Quebec, including Montreal Monday afternoon, with gusts reaching 90 km per hour. Environment Canada issued a special weather statement for Quebec and Ontario, warning that these conditions could cause localized power outages and hazardous travel. In addition to the strong winds, a blizzard warning has been issued for much of western and central Quebec. Heavy snowfall is expected to continue through Monday evening, with the added risk of strong winds that could cause tree branches to break and throw loose objects. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas in Canada have experienced extreme weather in the last few days.
This is Canada.
As the storm moves through, temperatures are expected to plummet, with a cold front pushing an Arctic air mass across the province. This drastic drop in temperatures, combined with strong northwest winds, will make for very cold conditions, especially in northern areas such as the James Bay region, where a winter storm warning has been issued. Environment Canada warns that travel could be dangerous due to rapidly changing weather conditions and the possibility of near-zero visibility in a snowstorm.
This is Canada.
Just got blown over by the wind.